So I put another campaign, which is this one here, but on a strategy one as well.
Awesome.
So just this one scheduled already.
Beautiful.
So hopefully this two will like schedule on Wednesday 12 a.m. So hopefully it won't get banned by that.
Beautiful. Open up the ad. Is there any copyright? Is it actual Yeezys or is it like any fake Yeezys or anything?
No, it's not easy actually. It's just like the detailed targeting that I got.
Awesome. Yeah, that's fine. I was gonna recommend maybe take away Yeezys from the name just in case they get scared. This is a nice photo. Nice photo. Looks good. I'm trying to think. Should we take away Yeezy from the ad set name? Yeah, let's do that to be safe. Let's take away Yeezys from any ad set or ad names.
Okay, so should I edit it like one by one with the ad sets? Yeah.
Yes.
How do I do that?
You just look for, cross that out.
Cross that one.
And then edit the name. You know how you can hover next to the name?
Just this one here? Oh, yeah, this one?
The edit above it.
Oh, this one.
If you hover on Adidas Yeezy, the word Adidas Yeezy.
Yeah, so just edit this one?
To the very right of Adidas Yeezy.
Okay, sorry.
Right next to it, next to the Y, the last letter Y.
Oh, this one here?
That's it. Yeah, that's a faster way. Click it and take away Yeezy.
Okay. But the detailed targeting was actually Adidas Yeezy. So should I be editing all the detailed targeting or just the name on it?
Just the name.
Oh, okay, cool.
And then you can just sort of remember that you use Adidas Yeezy.
Mm-hmm.
Or you can do Adidas Y if you're worried that you'll...
No, that's okay. So I just publish it?
Yeah. And then you can do the same thing on the ad set level after.
Yeah, this one here. Oh, this one here?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, after. I'll just use that one. Thanks, Andy. So I'll edit the ad sets and this one, yeah?
Yeah, take it away, publish, do it one more time.
But the detailed targeting, it won't matter. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Thanks, Andy.
And then now you could go to the ad set level. And then you could do the same thing. We edit and take it out.
Oh, shit.
You Command Z or cancel, bottom left-hand corner, click cancel and do it again. But yeah, I'm excited for you to be back in the game pool and hopefully...
Yeah, back in the game. Just don't give up.
Fingers crossed. Second product, no issues.
Thanks, Andy. All good to me.